Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to change the drive shaft and on the Aero SX. First of all, I'm gonna show you to be on the safe side. First, jack your car up. Make sure you put some towers on underneath, just in case that the car collapse. Remember, safety first. Wear your glasses, gloves, and make sure everything is steady and firm, because the car could collapse. Okay. I'm gonna show you the struggle that I went through. The wheel was moving back and forth, so I had to remove the arms, and then when I was removing the arm, I find out that the ball joint was bad. But it was a hassle to get it out. The bolts were hard to get out. They were turning with the rubber, so I had to cut them in pieces. First I cut the arm on this side first, and then the bushings that was in the middle, it was welded to the bolts. So both of them were hard to remove. As you can see, there's a space there, but I had to cut them apart, use chisels, use a grinder, and a Dremel in order to get them out. It was a challenge, but I got them all out. All the pieces were coming out easily after I grind them and cut them. Also, remember the ball that holds the ball joint, it needs to come out totally out, because it's a groove on it where the ball joint is holding. Also, make sure you get the right part, because I ordered the passenger side arm, and they sent me the driver's side, so I had to replace it. Also, the drive shaft, I got them. It's a little bit different, as I'm gonna show you how they looks. First of all, to get it out, you need to get the nut out of there. It's a dent in the end of the nut is holded in the shaft. It's in the groove there, so it doesn't come out. Make sure you straighten it out with a center punch. And once you straighten it up, turn it out, and it comes out. Then go inside, pull the wheel to the side, and unhook the ball joint. That way, it will be easier to remove the drive shaft. When you go in there, just with a chisel or a screwdriver, tap it on the end, hit it a few taps, and you can feel when it's moving, and it slides out really easy. Let me show you the difference on the shafts. When I ordered the new one, I noticed it. This one is a little bit different. I put them together to compare the length. They're about the same. You can see the old one has rubber, his old crack is ready to break apart. The length is different, and you see the gear there is on this new shaft. I don't know what they use for, but anyway, it fits. Is the right length, and it fits in the housing with no issues. It looks a little different, but it's the right length. So always check. Okay. These are the parts that the arm that I had to break. I had to cut it with a cutting wheel, and later with a Dremel cut out the bushing. They're very hard, and if you don't do this, you won't be able to get it off. The bolt will turn, and it'll be hard to get it out. Also, remember that the bolt that holds the ball joint, it needs to come all the way out, because there's a groove on it, and if you don't remove it, you won't be able to get the ball joint out of the bracket. It sits right in the middle, so the ball joint keep it in place, and it won't be able to pull it out. So make sure you get the bolt out, and once you get it out, it will slide really easy. As you can see, it was a challenge to get it out. Finally put a new one, put it back in there, and thumbs up. The job looks good. And once we put in the nut on it, don't forget to bend the tip of the nut. That way you not doesn't spin out, and that's a safety concern there. If you don't do that, you tire may be loose. And just remember, safety first.